Nurses in Solano County are the highest paid in the United States, according to the new study. The 2013 EZNCLEX study looked at the salaries of registered nurses and licensed practical nurses in each state as a whole, and in individual metro areas, the report notes. This information was then compared to the cost of living in the state or city to find the top 10 of each. Based on that criteria, the best registered nurse salary is currently in the Vallejo-Fairfield metro area in California. The report says if you are an RN there, you are earning on average $119,000, while the cost of living is only around $71,000. Google has tapped into the technology it acquired when it purchased Waze in June to bring users of Google Maps real-time traffic updates. Waze is an interactive system that uses reports from its community of users to provide real-time information on the traffic and road situation. The company has acquired by Google back in June and has now been put to use into Google Maps in an update to the app. Following a beta test, Google has rolled out an update to Google Maps that will let mobile users benefit from traffic reports covering everything from road accidents to closures and delays caused by construction, among many other things.
On Wednesday, Facebook announced an effort aimed at cutting the cost of delivering basic internet services on mobile phones, especially in developing countries. Many of the world's tech giants have agreed to work as partners on the initiative, which they call Internet.org. The companies intend to simplify phone applications so they run more efficiently and improve phone and network components so they can transmit more data with less battery power. The immediate goals involve cutting the cost of providing mobile internet networks and mobile phone software and allowing phone companies to provide simple services like email, search, and social networks for little to no charge. The effort reflects how tech companies are trying to grow by attracting customers beyond markets in the US and in Europe, even if it means building services and infrastructure in poorer parts of the world. ICN San Francisco report. Bradley Manning was sentenced to 35 years in prison on Wednesday at Fort Meade after being convicted of espionage and other charges connected to the largest leak of classified material in U.S. history. He was also dishonorably discharged, will forfeit his pay and benefits, and was reduced in rank. Manning faced a maximum of 90 years in prison, and prosecutors wanted him to receive a sentence of at least 60 years to deter others who might be tempted to leak secret documents. After his leak, Manning became the center of the growing debate about government secrecy. Supporters consider him a whistleblower who served public interest with his exposures. Manning's defense portrayed him as an idealist who opposed the war in Iraq. The government called him a traitor who hurt the country. Manning will probably be eligible for parole after serving a third of his sentence. ICN San Francisco report.
The Kingdom of Bicycles is facing the challenge of streams of electric bikes on the congested urban roads along with conventional vehicles. A new regulation in South China's Guangxi autonomous region requiring electric bicycles is registered for a license plate has aroused controversy. Henceforth, all electric bicycles must be registered with the police, and all new purchases must meet national standards with limits on weight and speed, or be banned from public roads. In Guangxi, the so-called e-donkeys are widely used means and have caused more and more accidents. Insiders said that a new national standard for the electric bicycle could be introduced soon, taking the industry health and people's concerns into consideration.